Wondering why are markets so worried about Japan's currency rise? If you're unaware, Japan's yen reached its highest level since mid-January, trading around 145.28 on 5th August intraday deals. This is a big jump of 10% against the US dollar in just over 3 weeks. This was followed by a dramatic tumble in Asian equities. While Japan's Nikkei index fell nearly 13%, markets across Asia also dropped, with South Korea's Kospi and Taiwan's market each falling over 8%. Why is that, you ask? Well, it is actually the unwinding of yen-based carry trades that has shaken global markets. Let me explain. Carry trade is when investors borrow money at low interest rates and invest in higher return assets. It's common in forex trading where investors borrow from countries with low interest rates and a weak currency like Japan and reinvest in countries with higher returns. So basically, for the first time in 17 years, Japan's central bank raised its interest rates to 0.1% earlier this year. And last week, the Bank of Japan increased it further to 0.25%. Additionally, they said they would cut their monthly bond purchases by half over the next couple of years to strengthen the yen and boost economic growth. The Bank of Japan's low rates and weak yen made it a top choice for carry trade. However, the yen's recent 10% rise has led investors to unwind their trades to avoid losses as borrowing the yen becomes more expensive. This has contributed to the drop in US equity market. Should India be concerned? Well, according to Securities Depository (NSDL), Japanese investors hold 2.05 trillion rupees worth of Indian equities. A stronger yen could therefore lead some of these investors to sell their holdings in India. In addition, Indian infra companies that have raised long-term yen-denominated loans could face an increase in the cost of debt. A rising yen would also increase the cost of imports for India and distort the trade balance further. Remember, India is a net importer from Japan. That's all for now. Stay tuned to Business Standard for more updates on this story.